Stop. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Stop. You're gonna get tased. Drop.
Hey!
Sakira! Get away! Sakira! Get away!
Get away!
Two foster children fought at a laundromat. Taser deployed on a 17-year-old. One bystander arrested.
Kids fighting over here?
Yeah.
Where?
I mean, the fighting is over. One of them took off and left.
Okay, where's the other kid?
We're all in this vehicle. I'm the parent.
Okay.
And I ran inside to get my clothes. Came back out. The two of them were fighting. This young lady.
Hey,
And
let me come here.
Talk to her. Tell her, just calm down. Calm down.
So
Calm
when
down.
I was in the car, both of them will keep on fighting. They keep on da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And I was turning on the music. I turned it loud, not that loud. And she keep on turn it up. She keep on saying turn it down. And she's steady running her mouth.
Who is she?
The one with the braids.
Okay. So the one that left was angry because of the music?
Yeah. No, all because I was turning it up because I wanted. They was da-da-da-da. She keep on. The braid girl talking about scream loud so she could turn it off. Da-da-da-da. And she's the one keep on talking.
Who are you two?
Braid.
We're the other two girls that were here.
You were here?
Yeah.
Saying da-da-da.
Okay. Who was driving the car?
She's the one put her hands
She
on
was?
me. We both started
Okay.
fighting. I keep on kicking her in the mouth.
Is there
and
anybody
fighting.
else inside this vehicle? No.
So there was no other person fighting with you?
No, just me and her.
Okay. Okay.
We didn't get hit or anything.
Okay. She's just upset, that's why I'm asking.
She was calling me
So,
the B word. She
does
said, "I'll eat you
violence
on me,
upset
da-da-da-da."
you?
Yeah.
She's the one.
Yeah. They're just, get away from it. So were you guys in the back seat?
Yeah, we was in the very back.
I was like in that side.
Well, she, the three bros, she was in the second row. Me and her was in the back.
I got out because I knew they won't stop swinging, and then she got out the car and went like on this side to get her.
Yeah, she like tried to drag her out the car and everything.
Okay.
You didn't find her? Okay.
He said that.
So she's 17, I think. Am I allowed to call EMS for her? Because she wants her face checked out.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you said that you said she was going home and pointed in that direction?
Yeah.
Okay.
He said she's going to her mom's house. I'm not sure where her mom is. And she went down that street right there.
Okay.
First.
She's the one boxing me with her hands, and I was sitting right there, kicking her in the face and fighting her.
Okay. The two that were fighting, Diamond and the other one, they're both your foster children?
Yes.
Okay. And they currently stay together?
Yes.
So this all started over music.
Music.
I know they just said she got here, I don't know the other girl's name.
Diamond.
They said she just got here on Thursday?
Yeah.
Has there been any other altercations in the home? Has there been any
There's
other?
never been an altercation in this home until she came.
Okay.
So she's the problem.
Savannah Police. Hey, how you doing? Good. Is DeAndre here?
Yes, she is.
She is. The 17-year-old?
Yes.
You mind if I speak to her?
Yes, you can speak to her, but her castle worker's on the way.
Her who?
Castle worker.
Okay. What's your first name?
Design.
What's your last name? What happened?
When we got into it, this little girl, I don't like that little girl. And we were just cool like a few minutes ago, and she over here fighting me, calling me a B word, so I fought her back.
Why she? So where are y'all at?
She at the laundromat,
Huh?
I think. I don't know where she at now.
Check the laundromat. How did you get here? You walked? Okay.
Yeah,
So y'all at the laundromat. Where were y'all doing?
We was in the car, me and this girl was talking, and then she keep turning up the radio, and then after that she's like, and she was yelling at something.
This the girl that you was fighting with?
Yeah, she told me shut up. And I was like, who you talking to? And then that's when we got in an argument, and that's when we started fighting.
Okay.
And
Why did y'all start fighting?
I don't know. She didn't like me when I first came over there.
Okay.
She always had an attitude with me.
Give me 1 second, okay?
Hey, what's up?
So, do y'all need anything from her? She said that her and the girl that y'all have were in the back of the car. The girl cut up the radio. She wanted her to cut it down. They got arguing and they started fighting. And she left and went home.
All right, just hold out with her. We're on the phone with Samuels because it's like a foster care situation. Are you okay by yourself?
Yeah, I'm fine. They were just in the house.
Just in the house?
Yeah, she went home.
Okay. Can you start logging her into CAD and stay with her?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Call me if you need anything.
Graham v. Connor, 1989, force assessed on crime severity, immediate threat, and active resistance. Severity, completed misdemeanor. Threat, unarmed subject on a porch. Both factors weigh against Taser.
All right.
We're finishing up here. She's gonna be 1095.
We're heading your way.
10-4. Can DeAndre come back outside?
Suzanne.
I'm scared for her.
She trying to take me to jail.
No, I'm sorry. The cross street is 33rd.
The other officers just want to talk to you. Because they're the primary officer. I think it was other people around it that just seen what was going on. They just saw people fighting, so they called. Well, now we're just waiting on them.
How y'all even know where I live?
Y'all have a lot of history here.
Oh. But yeah, y'all, fighting is my thing, but I don't fight no more. I'm tired of fighting. Yeah, I ran away because I had a good reason to run away, and we just had a good time too. There goes that people.
They're the ones that want to talk to you.
No, I don't want to talk to no more police. After what happened a few days ago at this house, I don't even want to talk to no more police officers.
All right, you can just let them know that.
No, if y'all want to talk to me, y'all can talk to me, but like, dang, y'all just want to, just because over the fight, man, come on, bro. Y'all should talk to my foster mama, who's really crazy. Y'all should talk to her, not me.
Hey, I just want to... What happened? Can you tell me what happened?
I got into a fight, and I beat her face in, and I sure did. And then she like, we was just over there.
So,
we was just
where did this fight take place?
at the laundromat in Savannah.
Were you in the car?
Yes, we all was in the car except the foster parent.
Where were you sitting in the car?
I was in the back seat with Rose.
Okay, and then what happened?
And then she turned out the radio and told us, shut up, y'all being too loud. And I'm like, who you talking to? And we started arguing, and then she hit me. So I hit her back, so we both started fighting. And I got out the car and ran around her, and we both started fighting. And then the mom was taking up her side, saying, oh, you started it. No fighting in my house. Like, we're not even at your house. What you talking about? We're at a doggone laundromat. What are you talking about?
Okay, Ms. Bozeman.
Documented kicking partially satisfies Graham Factor 3, but de-escalation was not exhausted first. Phils v. Aventura 11 Sir 2011. Taser requires de-escalation attempt. Verbal warnings are not enough.
Put your hands behind your back.
Whoa, no! Mama! Mama, no, bro!
Stop! You're gonna get tased! You're gonna get tased! Stop! You're gonna get tased!
Mama!
Hey!
Sakira! Get away! Sakira! Get away!
Get away!
Turn around!
Get back! Stop!
I want it down. I gotta pee.
Stop moving!
Wait, can I pee?
Stop moving!
Stop moving and put your hand behind your back! 1607 Burroughs.
Get Miss Lucy in the house.
Help! 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 I can't get up. It hurts.
No! Stop moving!
Stop moving. Okay. Wait, where is it? Ah! Ow! 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 Ow!
Stop moving!
Oh my! Wait, can I tell you something?
Stop moving!
Can I tell you something?
Stop moving!
Okay.
Are you done fighting?
Yes, ma'am. But I got a question. Can I ask you a question?
1 second, I gotta get these prongs out of the way before you get stuck.
Ah! Help! It hurts! It hurts!
Yeah?
Please help me. Help me.
Stop moving.
Stop moving.
Wait, where is it at?
I pulled them all out.
Wait, no! I don't want to go. Mama!
Bro,
It hurts! Stop! Mama! Mama, bro! No! Mama! Stop! Help! No! Okay.
Lay down.
Wait! I didn't do shit, bro!
Ready?
I didn't do shit! Bro! Stop! Help! No! Help! Stop! Listen! You're not listening to me!
Back up!
You're not listening to me!
back up. Battery DVA, ma'am.
Subject said, I want to die twice. No welfare check documented. Georgia Code 3731 requires one. O.C.G.A. 49512. DFCS must be notified of police contact with a foster child. Agency call insufficient.
Sorry,
Are you okay?
No, I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
My knee. Okay. Just gonna get another charge.
Ah,
Smith, come sit.
I had a taser deployment. Dropping her and fighting her. She kicked me in the freaking leg.
And then 3 people came out and started interfering with it too. Mom started.
Hey, we need to arrest one more.
Huh?
We need to arrest one more.
Do what you gotta do.
All right?
O.C.G.A. 1610-24. Obstruction requires a willful physical act directed at officers, not verbal protest. Houston v. Hill 1987. Verbal protest at officers is protected First Amendment speech, not a crime. Bystander moved an elderly relative, not an officer. Without direct contact, this charge likely fails.
Don't you go in the house. Get down here.
You need to get down there. What is she need to get down there for? What she need to get down
You guys are gonna go too.
For what? Why are you for what? For what reason? She ain't did that. She ain't did that. Hey.
Stop that!
Where she going from? Where she going from?
I don't even know what the hell I'm doing!
Hey!
Stop! I'm not! No! What am I arrested me for? I don't even know!
Turn around.
I don't even know y'all niggas, bro! Get on the ground! I
Stop.
Stop! Please! I need you to watch over mama! Please!
Put her shoulder down. Shoulder down.
Wrap around.
Shoulder
Wrap
down.
around.
I need to know what I'm being detained for!
Interference in custody.
Wait, how?
Interference.
How? I need to know what was going on. All I see y'all tasing my sister. I didn't even know y'all knocked my mother over.
That lady with the short haircut. Suzanne?
What's wrong with y'all?
I put my mama over. She is elderly.
Calm down.
I'm protecting my family. I need to know what was going on. Y'all tased my sister and knocked my mama over. What am I being tased for?
Active resistance.
Calm down.
No, calm down. How you expect me to calm down and y'all shot me down for what reason? I did not pose a threat to y'all.
I'm gonna pick you up, okay?
I hope y'all recording this.
Come on.
Please let the elderly woman over.
Hey, sit on this side.
Oh, I caught a foot in the face.
You got one too?
151, I'll be on the way.
So is this the thing from with the foster kids?
Yes.
Please, I didn't do nothing. I swear. Mama! I don't want to go to jail. Please don't take me.
Just calm down. Calm down, please. Listen. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down, okay? Breathe.
I
Breathe. Okay, just calm down and breathe. Calm down and breathe, okay? Just calm down and breathe.
Officers B-. Good investigation. Taser on a minor without de-escalation is constitutionally deficient.
DeAndre.
C+. Consistent account did not flee, but physical resistance escalated the encounter. Bystander. C. Protective intent noted. Inserting into an active arrest creates criminal liability regardless. Foster parent B. Full cooperation, timely MS request, appropriate agency coordination. Key lesson. De-escalation with juveniles is mandatory. Suicidal statements require documented response. Let us know what interaction you want analyzed next. Thank you for watching.